we are branding a report, and brand color is one of the most widely used element while branding a report. You must have realized that a lot of brands have strong association with particular colors. For example, when I show you this color, which brand do you associate it with? Does it look more with Coca-Cola or a Pepsi? I think you would recognize that this color is associated more with Coca-Cola. Similarly, if I show you a deep purple color, you will identify that this looks more close to Cadbury than Snickers. So my point is, you can use your brand color on your report to brand your report. Now, one way is the regular way, in which for each chart, I go to the styling tab and select the brand colors for each of the line or bar that we have in the chart. Obviously, that is nothing new, and there would be no need of this lecture if this was the only way. The better way is using a report theme. If you do not select any element on the report page, you will see the option of themes here. Here are some default themes. By default, we have this white theme. This edge theme can be implemented just by clicking on it. You can see that the white space on the report page have been turned to a little grayish color, and the charts are highlighted as bright white. You can choose this constellation theme to have a nice dark background, black background for this report. The theme you select is not applicable just on this page, it is applicable on all the pages in this report. You can check out all these other themes also. Gray and red, blue and shades of blue, red and shades of red, etc. Now, if you scroll to the top, you'll see a customize button here. By clicking it, you get the options of setting up all the colors and accents that can be set. But all these options can be overwhelming. The most interesting feature that I found in Data Studio is this button of extract theme from image. Basically, brand colors are often used in company images, especially company logos. So instead of setting up the entire theme manually, you can share that brand logo and Data Studio will extract the theme from that logo. Let me show you. I'll upload my brand logo and check this out. You can see all the extracted color options and suggested themes basis my brand logo. I'll choose this one and click on done. The entire report is set in our brand colors. Let us see some other pages also. Now, maybe it is not looking as professional as it was looking previously, but anyway, it serves the purpose. You'll know that this is a StarTech Academy report and you'll take it seriously. So that's all. This is how we can extract brand colors from brand logo and use those colors to brand our report. See you in the next one.